Presenting a pre-owned 2022 BMW X5. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW has less than 95,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include comfort package, premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and automatic climate control.